What's up, everybody? It's PJ the Great. And I'm on your computer, smartphone, tablet, maybe even TV screens on this glorious Friday. Man, I'm tired. Another busy day. Can you guys believe that Thanksgiving is next Thursday? I cannot believe that at all. Where is time going? And I don't know about where you guys are from, but out here in Vegas, the weather is behaving kind of strangely. It's the middle of November, and right now, at almost 10 a.m., it is 72 degrees outside. I'm not complaining because I'm not really a fan of cold weather, but this is kind of strange. So work was kind of a beast this week. Lots of stuff going on. There's always something going on at work now. It's like there's no time to breathe. Right when you think you're in a comfortable spot, everything's copacetic, everything's in the groove, you get hit with something else. We're calling it the nature of the beast now. It is what it is. What's on today's agenda bender? I get Thanksgiving dinner. All the ingredients. Because if I don't get it today, I don't know when I'm gonna get it. We're a week out, so I gotta get to getting. So that's the agenda today. During last week's vlog, I kind of hinted around about something that I had coming up next week. If you want to find out what it is, stick around until the end of today's vlog. I'm excited about it. It's kind of one of those, it's a little thing, but it's a big thing. Which should be pretty cool. So let's get this beautiful day started. 74 degrees, middle of November. I was gonna go and shoot some hoops. Solo hoops this morning, but it's also super windy. Shocker, shocker. Sometimes I wonder if I live in Vegas or if I live in Chicago. Well, I am a Blackhawks fan. A little sick to my stomach. I had a little sausage muffin sandwich for breakfast. I usually have them thawed out before I cook them. This time I cooked it frozen. It had my whole house stinking like dead animals. And now my stomach kind of feels funny. Sometimes I wonder why I stopped being a vegetarian. That used to be a Jack in the Box. You can put a Starbucks anywhere.
Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop, close up shop, time to roll. Whoa, roll. That's how PJ roll.
Stop, drop.
Christmas decoration time. And today is National Drive Slow Day, just in case you guys didn't know. Christmas decoration time?
Yes, indeed. Christmas decoration time.
Let's get that Christmas decoration on. Restocking time. It's Christmas time. It's not even Thanksgiving, but it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time.
Christmas time in the city.
Passion, romance. Romance. Affordable Thanksgiving decor. Yep. That's all from 2 stores. And Mom had to go back in to get something else. Oh, maybe she did. What happened?
I got a red one. I was going to get a gold.
You got candy canes
What?
and snowflakes. Snowflakes! Go away. Tree dazzler.
I mean, you can sign in there and it'll be there.
This is the closest thing I can get to old Coke Zero. Hate the new stuff. You want cake or brownies?
I want pan. Which side?
Yeah, they got sugar-free brownie mix up.
Oh,
You almost. So you want that instead of the cake and say the cake for Christmas?
yeah.
Okay. Brownies. Red velvet cake. Red velvet cake. Gotta get the red velvet on.
Let's get the book.
The red velvet on.
Get it on.
Get it on like Donkey Kong. Next thing we have to get is the bird. Gotta get the bird. Bird is the word.
Bird.
88 cents a pound. What do you think? That big enough?
How much is it?
$11.27. Good? Got it.
Bird.
Ham down, now it's time to get what? We got the bird. Then we got the ham. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise time. Guess there won't be a pocky chip challenge for me. Can't find it anywhere. Where do you find that? The ghost pepper, but they don't have the Carolina Reaper. What idiot put these in here like this? They're not supposed. They're sliding. They're not supposed to be in there like that. Not supposed to be in there like that. Now the question is, where is all of this going?
That's right. Where is it going? Why did you go buy all this shit?
That was you. Okay, everybody, I think that's going to do it for today's vlog. That was a lot more intense than I thought it was going to be. But I think we pretty much have everything that we need for Thanksgiving dinner. So that's a good thing. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I sold that Sony CX240 that I was talking about in my tech rant. It was kind of bittersweet to see it go. That baby was like my workhorse for all of my projects. And I just felt like it deserved more than to be put in my camera graveyard. So I wanted to send it on to a new owner who would get as much use out of it as I did. So it's kind of bittersweet shipping it off to its new owner, but I knew it was time to actually do that. Wow, like I said, what a day. And I can't believe, don't tell me global warming isn't real. Man, it was like 76, 78 degrees all day today, and Thanksgiving is next week. That's crazy talk. And what I asked you to hang on for until the end of the vlog, I'm actually off from work for like an entire week. So what that means is I get to make more content. So I'm actually pretty happy about that. I got a vlog that I'm going to shoot actually tomorrow and the day after that, and I got 2 tech videos that I've been talking about for the longest. I'm finally going to be able to get to shoot those. If you like today's vlog, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hey! And you know what, if you didn't like it, you can give it a thumbs down too. I'll keep working. But hey, if you give it a thumbs down, at least leave me a comment and let me know why. And if you haven't already joined the fam, hit that subscribe button.
Push the button.
I'm rolling with new videos every weekend except for the upcoming week. Since I'm off, I'm gonna have more content coming. Until the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G. And you know what? I really can't believe we actually found somewhere to put all that stuff we just bought, but we crammed it in there somehow. Catch you guys later.
Surfing.